My love for chemistry, especially in this university, started right in the first year. Some of us were part of this course called Chemistry Through Experiments, where we just looked at different physiological phenomena in and around the world and studied it through chemistry's lens. We basically understood it via chemistry. And I guess just taking courses more and more as my trimesters went just enriched my interest in this major even more. One of the best things about this major at Kriya is the fact that it gives a lot of attention to students' practical skills. Along with theory components, it is always followed parallelly by a lab component, a separate lab component. And I think this is a place where, while we learn the theory in class, this is the place where we actually integrate it into our minds. We understand what's happening, the names and the plots and the functions and the formulas make sense, and a bit of reality is added into it. Since it's Kriya, of course, chemistry even here is even more special, I would say, because we get the chance to take a lot of electives as well, and we can cater it to our interest. Just recently I did a course called Cheminformatics, and I'm right now doing a course on molecular modeling, and it's just amazing the way it is taught. There's a course on spectroscopy, and it's even more interesting because we have a new NMR spectroscope added into our already big arsenal of equipment that we use for research. I'm really excited as well for this course called Glaze Chemistry, where there's this professor who teaches pottery, and we have an entire pottery shed, and chemistry used in the glazes is going to be taught, and I think that's going to be really interesting, and I hope I get to do that. I think chemistry over here is extremely fun, and I think as a student in my school, I would never call it fun. I think Kriya as a university has sort of given it a new twist in my brain. If you are coming to Kriya and if you are already interested in chemistry or not interested in chemistry or don't know what chemistry is all about, I would say just give it a chance. Kriya has a lot of open doors for students who are confused or even those who've made up their minds, and I think a little bit of experiment goes a long way.